Hey, hi, good evening, Anil here. Welcome to my channel. Okay, let's decode today's price action. हमने क्या analysis किया था कल और the way the price has behaved. I'll make it very short and sweet. मुझे कहीं बाहर जाना है, so let's deep dive into it right away. बैंक निफ्टी I had clearly said एचएनएस पैटर्न ने लिक्विडिटी लेने के नीचे आएगा. मैंने शॉर्टिंग का लेवल्स भी दिया था. शायद अगर आपको मिले तो आप शॉर्ट करो. आई सेड दैट कि अगर प्राइस अगर बाउंस मारता है इस एरिया में, so you can short. Was it in Bank Nifty or Nifty? एक मिनट, was it in Bank Nifty or Nifty? Okay, that was in Nifty, I believe. Yep, it was in Nifty. बैंक निफ्टी ने आज it has made a bearish runway type kind of pattern. अगर ये थोड़ा और क्लोजिंग पॉजिटिव देता है, लाइक 50,400 और 500 करीबन, परफेक्ट पैटर्न बनता है, रेडी फॉर अ ब्लास्ट टुमारो. आई थिंक जीडीपी डेटा आया है, इट्स लोअर देन एक्सपेक्टेड. मतलब क्या है कि नाउ आरबीआई would be forced a bit because उनका estimation था was 6.8. Market का anticipation was 8.2 or 8.6 something, I don't know. It came at 6.6. It's quite lower, and inflation literally is killing the demand. Plus rate hike नहीं किया तो उसकी वजह से भी demand is slowly going down. So RBI will have to rate cut the rate. They are market will anticipate that RBI will cut the rate. इसका मतलब ये है कि there will be a probability tomorrow that it will dip below this line. It will dip below this line because of the negative database, negative data, and it will be a perfect liquidity hunt tomorrow. What I expect, कि it might open a gap up. Even if you see Nifty now, XG Nifty, it's like trading close post the data. Market is already up like 58 points. It will give a dip, एक dip देगा. So for all the people to get their stop losses. Okay, can also be a five-way pattern. Like it will be like one, two, three, four, five. It can be one, two, three, four, and a five. Hopefully, होगा कि नहीं होगा, we don't know. We have to cross check. अभी I will not much deep dive into Bank Nifty, but I'll deep dive into Nifty because Nifty expiry is on Thursday, and so I'm going in Nifty right now. What I can see in Nifty, I think I clearly said कल के लिए ट्रेड सेटअप क्या है निफ्टी के लिए. कल के लिए ट्रेड सेटअप आई सी दिस इज वन एंड दिस इज टू, दिस इज थ्री, दिस इज द फोर एंड फाइव. ओके, सो वेट फॉर अ मूव अप. इसके ऊपर जाएगा. लेट मी decode this properly for you. It will be like this, and this. Wait for this. This is your shorting level. Wait for this. Perfect liquidity trap, or even lower. Minimum target is target one year. Target two you can go for this lower, या इसके नीचे भी आप वेट कर सकते हो, बट आपको ये ट्रेड मिलेगा. कंफर्मेशन के लिए वेट करो आप. दिस इज योर शॉर्ट पोजीशन. And here you get 240, here you get 300, 320. It can still go down till here. You never know. Possible है. Wait for this. But tomorrow, if you get a candle like break, ये इधर थोड़ी देर कंसोलिडेट किया एंड देन अ ब्रेक ऊपर ऐसा, then wait for a pull, then go for a long from here. Target, look for this. Go for a long from here. So, अब दिस इज योर लक्ष्मण रेखा, द लाइन इज योर लक्ष्मण रेखा। इसके ऊपर अच्छा ब्रेक मार के इधर स्लो स्लो नीचे आया एंड सी द वॉल्यूम। ओके, सो इफ यू कैन क्लियरली सी द वॉल्यूम, वॉल्यूम इज ऑन द शॉर्टर साइड। पुल में हाई वॉल्यूम, जस्ट सी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वॉल्यूम यू आर बिल्डिंग हियर। ओके, एस स्ट्रक्चर इज नॉट कंप्लीट। ये देखो, ये ऐसे भी हो सकता है, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3, इट कैन बी अ 3, this can be a 4, and we have already completed 5. Never know. It can be 1 2 3 4। 4 तो हो नहीं सकता बिकॉज 1 के अंदर आ चुका है। प्राइमरी काउंट ऑफ माइन इज रेड वाला, ब्लू वाला इज ब्लू वाला इज अ बुलिश पाथ इफ यू गेट इट। प्ले भी बोथ वेज, बट दिस इज द लाइन। यहाँ से डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर होगा 23,800 से कि मार्केट कहाँ जाने वाला और क्या करने वाला है। ओके, दैट्स निफ्टी फॉर यू। I'm primarily waiting for Bank Nifty, proper liquidity hunt. Hopefully tomorrow we gonna get it. इसके नीचे आना चाहिए, परफेक्ट लिक्विडिटी हंट होगा कल अगर मिलेगा तो, बिकॉज इट हैज टू बी एन इम्पल्स। यप, 49,100 से लेके 200 के एरिया के बीच में you'll get a proper liquidity hunt. I will wait for a flip on a 15 minute, then I'll take a long setup or all the way towards this move if I get it. और मेरा stop loss will be कल का लो only. Okay. We spoke about index, we spoke about stocks. ICICI Bank gave reaction from there. Good, I think it has started its wave up. I think so. Uh, Divergence looks like a divergence and an impulse. Any pullback down can still go down. We never know, but it has started its wave up. I expect कल इसके ऊपर hopefully जाए. Then there is a reaction down. Take the long from here. Expect this to happen. Axis Axis has given a bounce from here. Volume is not supportive. We have to see the reaction tomorrow. We don't still have a divergence, can still go down deep. This can be your proper demand zone, not touched yet. Let it touch, buy. HDFC, I had drawn the line that it will bounce from here. It did. I'm expecting it will hold tomorrow, and we can get a move. So ICICI Bank can come tank. Axis can tank a bit just to touch the demand zone. HDFC Bank, I don't see further move down. थोड़ा सा हो सकता है max. Kotak Bank also has completed the journey, can revert back from here. थोड़ा सा dip देगा, but it will bounce back again. IndusInd छोड़ दो, not much of weightage. Reliance, I said, will get a move up again tomorrow. It will try to go down below 1222, and I think it will fail because the bullish harami pattern is superb here. I'm expecting कि इसका low break नहीं होगा. Uh, but if it does, then it will still go down, but hopefully it will go up. We talk about dollar. See, so how is it has to go below this, and till the time it doesn't go below this, closes below this. ये red line है ना, इसके नीचे जाना है. Can you see this red line? I made it a bit more darker. If it closes below this, then the probability of dollar going down is very high. I'm expecting it should close. Let's see tomorrow what's in store for us. Metal index. I spoke about metal. Metal, we had a 1.24% rally today, so close to the level of bottom formation. अभी तक हुआ नहीं है. I'm expecting that hopefully by tomorrow we can get it. So normally 3 टैप होता है, बता देता हूँ how the bottom happens. आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. This is how the structure behaves. Always see this. हमको लगा divergence, it will go up, take the high, then it will again dip. This is where the proper liquidity hunt and the triple divergence, then it starts going up. Then it will go up from there. Then it will go do this, this, and this. This is the play. So now if you see this, it has done this, this, थोड़ा सा ऊपर, then a drop, then a rally. This is metal index. Okay. So it can also be a slightly higher. This is also this. It can also be like a one, two, three, four, and a five. Oh, ये वो जो triangle होता है, contracting triangle types like this. I'm just guessing. Will it happen? Will it not? I don't know. But I can, if it happens, wait for the structure to complete. I'm expecting one more down move, then a move up. We will get a down move. Okay, we will get a down move. I am very confident that we gonna get a down move. अगर नहीं आया, ठीक है, we'll wait for that move which I clearly said in Nifty की किस तरीके से move कर सकते हैं on the blue line move. Bank Nifty, I am confident for a down move, and it will because data is bad. Data is bad, so everybody will try to exit their positions or try to build up shorts position, assuming that the market is gonna tank, is gonna go down X Y Z, and and it is gonna go down. So tomorrow it will show you like a breakdown of HNS, and hopefully we'll see a liquidity hunt. And I will only buy my big calls if I see a liquidity hunt, proper trap and move up. That's my go-to trade all the way. I will book my target, first target here if I get it, second target here, third target is like this. That's how I'm going to do it, and I'll go with size. Okay, so I'm keeping the video very short. This is not a buy sell recommendation. Please do your analysis and trade with proper risk management. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Thank you.